It feels as though the universe is not simply existing, but slowly revealing a hidden story that has remained beyond human understanding for billions of years. A story stretching across unimaginable distances and ancient ages, concealed behind darkness, expansion, and the limits of human perception. Layer by layer, the cosmos reveals fragments of a vast history where galaxies emerge from darkness, evolve through gravity and light, collide across immense distances, and eventually fade within the endless flow of time. Across this immense ocean of space, the story of the James Webb Space Telescope begins far beyond Earth. Suspended in the silent vacuum of space, it drifts through a realm where sound cannot travel and motion exists without noise. Its deployment unfolds slowly and precisely, guided by decades of engineering and the curiosity of generations who wondered what existed beyond the visible universe. One by one, its golden mirror segments extend outward in a carefully controlled sequence. Every movement must be exact, because even the smallest error could affect the mission. As the structure unfolds, it appears almost organic despite being entirely mechanical. Each mirror locks into place with extraordinary precision, forming a single reflective surface designed to capture the faintest light from the earliest universe. These are not ordinary rays of light. They are ancient photons carrying information from eras long before Earth existed. Their journey began before galaxies fully formed and before stars matured into stable systems. As the mirrors align, they briefly catch sunlight and glow softly against the darkness like fragments of a newborn star. Positioned nearly 1 million miles from Earth near Lagrange point L2, the telescope exists within a delicate gravitational balance between Earth and the Sun. Its massive sunshield blocks heat and radiation, cooling its instruments enough to observe the universe in infrared light. From this distant location, humanity can now look farther into space and deeper into time than ever before. Among countless galaxies, the telescope observes GSZ 14-0, seeing it as it existed when the universe was less than 300 million years old. What it reveals surprises scientists. The galaxy already appears structured and active far earlier than expected. Observations detect intense star formation and even oxygen, suggesting stars formed and died much faster after the Big Bang than previous theories predicted. Closer to our own region of the galaxy, the telescope studies mysterious brown dwarfs existing between planets and stars. Though dim and difficult to observe, their atmospheres are turbulent and constantly changing. Massive winds move through thick layers of gas while methane and water vapor circulate deep beneath their clouds. Faint auroras sometimes glow across their atmospheres as magnetic fields interact with charged particles drifting through space. The telescope also studies distant planetary systems where giant worlds follow unstable orbits shaped by violent gravitational forces. Some planets move dangerously close to their stars before being thrown back into deep space. Others slowly lose their atmospheres under overwhelming tidal forces until they begin to break apart entirely. These observations reveal that planetary systems are not permanently stable. They constantly evolve, collide, transform, and sometimes destroy themselves. The universe reveals itself not as a static creation frozen in silence, but as a living system of endless motion and transformation. Stars are born from clouds of gas and dust, shine for billions of years, and eventually die in violent explosions that scatter the elements needed for future stars, planets, and life itself. Galaxies merge across unimaginable spans of time while invisible structures of dark matter continue shaping the cosmos from beyond direct observation. From the smallest particles to immense galactic superclusters, nothing in the universe remains truly still. Everything moves, changes, evolves, and transforms across eternity. And as the James Webb Space Telescope continues its silent journey beyond Earth, humanity moves closer not only to understanding the universe itself, but also to understanding its own place within the vast and ever-unfolding story of the cosmos.